Be the envy of your friends in this 2008 Lexus RX 400h.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, satellite navigation and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. There are so many things to remember in our busy lives. Let your vehicle do some of the work for you with memory settings. The sunroof lets fresh air in. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.